Let's break down Polymetal International's price per ounce to produce gold and silver. Because Polymetal is not a primary silver producer, in other words, less than half of their income comes from silver production, I used a co-product method for calculating cost per ounce. 2012 silver ounces produced 27,797,000, average selling price $30 per ounce. The revenue from silver is about $833 million, or 44.97%. The 2012 amount of gold produced was 593,000 ounces. The average selling price was $1,631 per ounce. The revenue from gold was about $966 million, or 52.18%. In 2012, Polymetal produced about 7,011 tons of copper, with an average selling price of $7,540 per ton, so the revenue from copper was $52,863,000, or 2.854%. Total metal revenue for Polymetal in 2012, $1.85 billion. To calculate out the cost to produce, I took the consolidated income statement and replaced the single entry for cost of sales with the expanded item-by-item breakdown to give a more detailed look. I then calculated out 52.18% of each cost and attached it to gold, 44.97% of each cost and attached it to silver, and 2.854% of each cost and attached it to copper. I then divided each cost by the number of ounces produced to get a cost per ounce breakdown for gold and silver. In 2012, Polymetal's costs break down as follows. There were production costs of about $404,726,000. About $182 million went to silver, or $6.55 per ounce. About $211 million went to gold, or $356.13 per ounce. There were smelting and refining costs of about $336 million. About $151 million went to silver, or $5.43 per ounce. About $175 million went to gold, or $295.27 per ounce. There was ore purchased from third parties for a cost of a little under $30 million. About $13.3 million went to silver, or 48 cents per ounce. About $15.4 million went to gold, or $25.97 per ounce. There was ore purchased from related parties for a cost of about $3 million. About $1.4 million went to silver, or 5 cents per ounce. About $1.6 million went to gold, or $2.67 per ounce. There were mining taxes of about $120 million. About $54 million went to silver, or $1.96 per ounce. About $63 million went to gold, or $106.39 per ounce. Total production costs were $893,754,000. Total silver production costs were about $402 million, or $14.46 per ounce. Total gold production costs were about $466 million, or $786.44 per ounce. There were depreciation, depletion, and amortization costs of about $202 million. About $91 million went to silver, or $3.27 per ounce. About $106 million went to gold, or $178.10 per ounce. There were rehabilitation expenses, a gain in inventories, and other miscellaneous expenses. Total costs were about $890 million. Total silver costs were about $400 million, or $14.39 per ounce. Total gold costs were about $464 million, or $782.76 per ounce. There were administration costs of about $181.6 million, with about $81.6 million coming from silver, or $2.94 per ounce, and about $95 million coming from gold, or $159.84 per ounce. There were other operating expenses, including exploration costs, of about $154 million, with about $69 million coming from silver, or $2.49 per ounce, and about $80 million coming from gold, or $135.38 per ounce. There were miscellaneous costs and expenses, including a loss on disposal of subsidiaries, a gain on acquisitions, a gain on forex, a change in value of contingent considerations, and costing credits associated with finance. There were taxes of about $216 million, with about $97 million attached to silver, or $3.50 per ounce, and $113 million attached to gold, or $190.24 per ounce. Complete cost to produce silver, $23.50 per ounce. Complete cost to produce gold, $1,278.45 per ounce. To summarize, In 2012, Polymetal sold 27,797,000 ounces of silver for an average price of $30 per ounce, grossing about $833 million in silver. The complete cost to produce silver using the co-product method was about $653 million, or $23.50 per ounce, and the profit for silver was about $180 million, or $6.50 per ounce. In 2012, Polymetal sold 593,000 ounces of gold for an average price of $1,631 per ounce, grossing about $966 million from gold. The complete cost to produce gold using the co-product method was about $758 million, or $1,278.45 per ounce, and the profit for gold was about $209 million, or $353 per ounce. Current metal prices are below Polymetal's 2012 complete cost to produce gold and silver. This suggests that, unless some cost-cutting measures have been taken, Polymetal may be currently underwater. Thanks for watching.